Okay, so this is a LBH-910. It's one of our higher fleet. It's currently set at 150 milliseconds. As you can see, you can quickly adjust the time on the front of the screen. We're about to weld an M10 by 30 mild steel drawn up stud with it to about a 6mm, 10mm plate. So here's the plate set up with an earth on either side. There's the gun. So see how the gun's set up there. Now what we'll do is we'll load a stud into the gun. Try and do it one-handed. So here we go. So the stud goes into the gun, into the chuck. Ceramic ferrule over the top there. So that's the stud loaded in the gun with the ceramic. Now, get stud down on to the work, the gun down onto the work, and make sure we're upright. Pull the trigger. Lift the gun off. Now, just knock the ceramic away with a screwdriver there. Again, there we go. There's the completed weld. Okay, and just to prove the strength, I'll just get a hammer and I'll knock it over. We should be able to break the stud and leave the weld zone intact. Okay, just had to go and get my hammer. So here we are, here's the stud that we welded. And there you go. Just to show you that the weld zone is intact. It's completely good weld.